Yeah, thanks for everyone for coming here to see Joe and my press conference. It's a privilege to be here fighting in Samoa. I lived here when I was young, and it's an honour to come back here and fight in front of my people. I didn't know my opponent was Samoan. I really didn't want to give a Samoan a fighting on our home. Unfortunately, it has to be. But yeah, look, the journey's been good. I've lost around 88 kilos. This camp has been the first camp I haven't worried about my weight, and I've worried more about actually trying to learn how to box. So I'm hoping that I can bend a bit better and not guard with my head. And we're inspiring. I've got a Facebook group called Butterbean Motivation, and that's really my pride and joy. It's helping our people to realise that you've got to work hard and showing that anything is possible. Well, it's quite obvious. It's a free trip to Samoa. So it wasn't hard for me to see why he wanted to. But when I left the ring in Palmerston North, him and his partner, his lovely partner, they were using me as I was leaving. This and whatever. But it's good. He's going to spend. He can enjoy this time, and then after that, he'll be spending a little bit of time in the Samoa hospital. It is what it is. He didn't want to fight me then. Obviously, he wanted a free trip over here, and he's Samoan, so I can see why he would want to come here. But I'm not going to hold back on him. I'm going to give him a bloody good hiding, and then enjoy Joe's fight.
Thank you. I make good videos, and Jackson, pull us up. I'm ready for this fight. We've been working hard. I don't come here to lose. We've been training hard to win. I want to thank my sponsors, my family, and the support of all my friends and family. When I was young, I got bit by a bat, and I think that was some special powers. Rather Batman or vampire, but yeah, Batman's better.
Just got your kids?
Oh yeah, and I love all my kids. I'll be home with a win, and dedicate this to all my loved ones. Yeah. Miss you kids, even though you're crazy.
Do you think you can finish off by being for good? Do you think that you have the ability to embarrass him? He's a celebrity here, fight and really make a name for yourself, particularly when it comes to the North, where you come from.
Of course, I wouldn't be here, on a suicide mission. We trained hard, we prepped hard for this fight, and we've got a good game plan. We've studied his fights, and he's a good fighter, so I promised him a good fight on my videos, and I plan to deliver. Thank you.
Cool, guys. Now